Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and in front of us I've got this very shiny US military chained padlock. It shouldn't have the key on the end, that's just for convenience. You would attach the chain to something so that if you unlock the padlock, then it wouldn't just get scattered on the floor and lost. It would just be dangling at the end of the chain, which is a bit more useful. It's a military padlock and it's made by Paclock. It appears to be a sort of an older design, but I don't know much about it. It's a 95G, it says on the bottom. This is sent to me kindly from America by Lock. So thank you for sending that. And it's all brass, so anti-spark. Very, very nice. Got a nice open style keyway. More like a Schlage style keyway, isn't it? I think. I could be wrong. And it appears to have 1, 2, 3, 4 pin positions. Maybe 5 if that is actually a cut at the end. Hard to tell. I suppose I could actually just put in a pick and count. Let's have a listen. Feels like 5 to me. Okay, so yeah, very, very cool little padlock. Let's throw some advice, have a pick, and see if we can get an open. So this is a genuinely tricky little lock. I just picked it actually. Make sure it's all fine. Just find it really difficult. It's got serrations in, possibly spools. Goes into deep false sets, which need some real pick pressure to get out of. So it's just starting on pin 5 at the back, 4, 3, 2, 1 into a little false set, a little click out of 3 there, and again, oh, and we're open. Wow, that was the quickest I've ever picked that. That was bizarrely quick. It took me a couple of goes to pick that, to be honest with you, off camera, just practicing. So very glad we got the open this time. But yeah, a tricky little lock, which is good. I think that's a good sign. I did, however, just lubricate it before I did this on-camera pick, so that could have been the issue. Maybe it's just a little dry on the inside. But otherwise, just a really beautiful little brass padlock. Yeah, good stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this vlog. If you did, leave a like. Comment below if you've got any comments. I read them all, reply to as many as I can. And of course, subscribe if you haven't subscribed if you want to see more content like this. And I'll see you all next time.